Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our new chapter number 3, that is operations on whole numbers. So, students, first of all, you must know the concept of whole number that you have already studied in previous classes. Students, the numbers starting from 0 onward, all numbers are whole numbers. So students, operations on whole numbers. So first question that is based on the first operation on whole numbers, that is addition. So first question, that is 5 4 5 9 0 8 7 6 3. The next one is 2 ones under ones, 1 tens under tens, 2 hundreds under hundreds, 4 again thousand under thousand, 9 10,000 under 10,000, 5 it's lakh under lakh, 1 it's 10 lakh under 10 lakh, again 2 that is crore under crore, and nothing under 10 crores. So the next part is 2 1 5, again the same way, same digit under same digit. So students, we are going to add these numbers. It becomes 7 3 or 2, 5 and 2 7, again 6 and 1 7 and 1 8, 7 and 5 7 and 2 9 and 4 9 and 5, what it becomes 14, 1 carry forward, 8 and 4 12 and 1 13, 1 carry forward, 9 and 1 9 and 1 10 and 1 carry forward, 9 and 5 14, 1 15, 1 16, again 1 carry forward, 5 and 1 6, 7 and 1 8, 4 and 2 6 and 5. So it becomes the result. So students, listen carefully without speaking. So students, our next question is question number 2. So students, you can do part B, C and D by yourself. So next question, arrange in columns and add. So students, first question I am going to write here. So students, listen carefully my words. We have to arrange them in an order. So students, again tens under tens. So first of all, we are going to arrange them. So let's put the sign of addition here in the simple way. 6 9 0, and the next one is 8 5 9 7 5 6 7 and 1, and the next one is 5 6 2 3 9 5 6 7 6. So students, first of all, we are going to start with our bigger numbers. So students, look carefully which is the biggest number. You can count the numbers: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So again ones, tens, so on. You have to count all these numbers and arrange in an order. So first of all, we are going to write the biggest number, that is 5 6 2 3 9 5 6 7 6. And the next one, 3727 690. So students, have a look. In that way we're going wrong. So students, have a look. When we write in that way, it is our wrong method. So as I have told you in this question, put ones under ones. So again have a look. I'm writing here the number 562395676. So students, never do in that way. If we start from here, it will be our wrong answer. So we will find out wrong part. So students, so I have already told you to put ones under ones and tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, thousands under thousands, so on. We have to put each and every number. So let's count again with the biggest number. Now it is the second biggest number. So from it, 1 7 6 5 7 9 5 and 8, and this is now it is 0 9 6 7 2 7 3. Now it is the right way. As we have done wrong here. बेटा मैंने सिर्फ आपको बताने के लिए ये पाठ किया है कि ऐसे अगर हम लिखेंगे तो एक डिजिट पीछे बच गया, सो इट बिकम्स अ बिगर, सो इट्स रॉन्ग स्टेप. सो अगर हम ऐसे करेंगे वंस अंडर वंस, टेंस अंडर टेंस, इट विल बी द राइट वे. नाउ अगेन द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन is going to be written again here. So students, we are going to add this number. So students, addition can be done by you. I expect you can do the addition of this part really easily. If we add this number, it will become 8 again. 7 and 7, 14. 14 and 9, students, 14 and 9, 23 and 5, 28, to carry forward, 6 and 6, 12 and 6, 18, 18 and 2, 20 and 9, 29, again 2 carry forward, 9 and 2, 11, 11 and 7, 18, 18 and 5, 18 and 5, 23, 23 and 5, 28, again to carry forward, 9 and 2, 11, 11 and 7, 11 and 7, 18, 18 and 2, 20, 20 and 6, 26, so it is again try to carry forward, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 12 and 2, 12 and 2, 14, 14 and 7, 21, 21 and 7, 28, again 2 carry forward, 5 and 2, 7, 7 and 2, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 1 carry forward, 8 and 6, 14, 14 and 1, 15, 1 carry forward, 5 and 1, 6. So students, it's done with our question. Students, try to write each and every question in the right way. As I have done here, you have to do by this way. So next, students, we are going to start our next operation on whole numbers. So it is subtraction. So students, it is a new next step in the operations of whole number. Question number 3, it is find the difference. We are going to find the difference. So 8, 6, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. So students, listen carefully. You have to use the exact right method to write the numbers. So कैसे आपने numbers को नीचे numbers लिखना है, जैसे ones है, tens है, hundreds है, thousands है, 10,000 है, lakh है, 10 lakh and 10 crore. So we are going to write in that way in the columns, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, thousands under thousand, 10,000 under 10,000s, lakhs under lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. So we're going to subtract these numbers. So students have to look carefully. When it takes it takes borrow, it becomes 13. When we subtract 5 from 13, जब हम 13 में से 5 subtract करेंगे क्या बचेगा 8. Here it becomes 0. So when it takes borrow, it becomes 10. Again, the subtraction is done here to take 6. Here it becomes 1. It will be 1. It is taking a borrow. It's 14. 14 is subtracted by 9. It becomes 5. Here it becomes 4. Subtracting these numbers, it becomes 1. Again, it needs a borrow. It's taking a borrow. It becomes 16. So 16 is subtracted by 8, becomes 8. Again, when 1 is taken as a carry, as a borrow, so it remains 5. It is taking 1 again, and these are subtracted again. It becomes 8. So students, here it is 7. When we subtract these numbers, it takes other numbers. So students, we are taking here difference. So we are subtracting two numbers. It is our minuend, it is our subtrahend, and this is our difference. You have done this concept in the last class or the previous class. So students, it's really clear with our concept. Students, next question, that is question number 4, part A. So students, when the question is asked in that way, have to look carefully in your book and write carefully on your notebook. So students, from 9, 4, 8, 9, 6, 7, 1, 1. Students, when the question is asked in that way, so क्या करते हैं हम from के केस में क्या करते हैं, this is our minuend. This is our minuend. So we have to write this minuend in that way. So as I have told you already, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, and so on the numbers are written here. So subtract these numbers in your own way. 1 is subtracted by 1, 0, 1 is taking a borrow, it will become 11. 3 is subtracted from 11, it becomes, what it becomes? 8. So students, again, here it is 6. When 1 is borrowed again, it becomes 16. Again they are subtracted to get 7. Here it becomes 5. Subtracting these numbers 0. Again 4. It becomes 7. Again borrow here. 1 is borrowed. Then it is 14. And when we subtract 8, it becomes 6. Here it becomes 8. After subtraction, we are getting here 1. So students, it's clear with our concept. So students, let's move to our next question. Question number 4th का ही E part हम करेंगे पहले. So students, so look carefully. We have to convert these numbers. So students, पहले तो हम इन numbers को लिखेंगे. So what is written here? It's number name in the 6 crore 70 lakh 78 lakh 95,000 400 32 from 7 crore 24 lakh 68,001. So students, I have told you it's given the number name. So in according to Indian system, so you have to write these numbers. फ्रॉम के बाद वाला जो नंबर होता है उसे हम मिनिमेंट बोलते हैं, पहले मैंने आपको बता दिया. तो स्टूडेंट्स 7,24,68,001. सो स्टूडेंट्स पहले तो आपको करोड़ इनको लिखना पड़ेगा. करोड़ 10 लाख, लाख 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens and ones, or in that way ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So first of all you are going to write in that way. First is 7 crore. So I am writing here 7 crore. 24 lakh, 24 lakh. 68,000, 68,001. So it means no hundreds, no tens, only ones. So next, what is here? 6 crore, crore under crore. 78 lakh, 78 lakh. 95,000, 95,000. 400, 432. So now students, as we have done in the previous question, you can subtract these numbers.